Hi guys, it's V. I'm at Boardwalk and I've always wanted to go in here, but I didn't know if they minded if you recorded or not, and they don't. So I was planning on waiting until sunset. But I thought I'd pop in here before I go to Epcot because this place is just so awesome. I always love to see Maleficent. Excuse me. These are the ones that I was really loving today. Look at these of the boardwalk at night. Trying to get it without the glare. And these are pretty, but I really love these. Look. I'll pop back in tonight when I do my sunset walk. But I just really wanted to show some of my favorite things while it wasn't busy now. I'm going into Epcot for the beginning of the Festival of the Arts, and then I'm going to do a sunset walk around Crescent Lake. So I will be seeing you guys very soon. Thanks for joining me. And I'll see you real soon. Bye.